Today, I'm checking out this Santoku knife from Mad Shark. They sent this over for me to check out. Let's take a look at it. Packaging's pretty nice. They even sent a microfiber cloth to clean it up with. It's well packaged. Here we go. This is what we're wanting to see. That's nice. All right, initial impressions. This has got a good weight and good feel to it. The handle's nice and ergonomic. Feels like it's gonna be pretty sharp. We'll try that out in a minute. Initial impressions for a knife in this price range, this is super nice. All right, let's see how sharp it is. I'm gonna start with the tomato test here. Okay. Sliding right through that tomato, no problem at all. Out of the box, super sharp. Let's try it on some tuna. No problem at all cutting through that. This knife is crafted from hardened German steel. It has a wonderfully ergonomic handle that's super comfortable to hold and to use. I'm really impressed with this knife, especially at the price point it comes in at. So if you're looking at an entry-level, high-quality chef knife, or Santoku in this case, this would be a good choice.